This right here, this is the crank angle sensor on the TJ. So these go up above the bell housing. There's only 2 bolts that hold them on, and I've already got the car up on some ramps. I'm going to get under there now and see how I go with getting it out. I've figured out that I've got the wrong sensor. So basically, might be 2001 down, has it on the left hand side and it's 2 bolts, which is the one I've got. And from there up, it is on the right hand side and it's only 1 bolt and a lot easier to get to. So I haven't got a new one. I'm just going to pull this one out, give it a bit of a clean and put it back in. And we'll see if that fixes the issue. If it does, great. If it doesn't, then I'll just have to order a sensor. So it is located on the right hand side of the engine, right at the front of the bell housing and right above the exhaust. You can see it just there. So that's it, like right there. I think that's going to be fine. We'll get him back in, we'll take him for a test drive and see if we fixed it. Okay, moment of truth. Let's go for a drive and see if it does it again. So I live on a highway, so I'm going to pull out of here and give it a boot full, and we're going to find out pretty quickly if I fix this or not, because it does it every time I pull out of here. Here we go, first gear. That's flat. That's a good sign so far. Already up to 80k an hour and not a hitch. That's awesome. There's 100. I think we're good. So I just got back from my drive and it didn't miss a beat. So I'm going to go with fix the problem. And just so we're all on the same page, this sensor here, this is for the older Jeeps. I'm not sure of the year, model of when they changed over, but mine's a newer Jeep, it's 2006, and it's just got that 1 bolted type of sensor, and it's really easy to get to. It's on the right hand side. This one is on the top and from the left hand side, so if it's not there, you've probably got a newer one. I would say just take it off and give it a clean first, because that's all I did with that, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's fine, it's performing okay. I've got a build series coming up on this thing where I'm going to do this and that to it. If you want to see more of this, please subscribe.